door, man. Here.
No, where's the bird?
I don't know.
I think it went upstairs, man. You better get your keys because the door's locked. Okay, we tried to use a mop to open the door, and her door handle's broken, and it just fell off. I know you. We wanted to go through the door. It has to be open.
Wait, what is it? Oh. This thing is so thin, though.
Could you not drag my blanket all over the floor?
Big blanket. Then I can't poke me. I think it seriously went upstairs.
Get out of my head! No! It went upstairs, man.
It did?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Bye-bye!
Where upstairs?
It went upstairs. So go run, open the door. Because it's not there yet.
You're not lying. Just open the door, are you?
No, I'm serious.